We started using 3D printing technology last year, and we came up with this project where we give kidney donors a 3D model of the kidney they donated. After a successful initial test, we decided to buy our own 3D printer, which was quickly followed by another unit. We print 4 to 6 kidneys every month. It all starts with computer tomography images, from which the models are segmented. The resulting STL file is sliced and turned into a G-code in Slicer. Then we print it. The print takes from 12 to 18 hours, depending on the model's complexity. Models are printed in real scale, and we aim for highly realistic results. "3D printing was a brand new technology for us, and we find it very enjoyable. Up until now, we could see the models of organs only on a computer screen as a software visualization. Today, we can print the entire model and see it in the real world, which is extremely important for doctors, students, and even patients." Toho doktora nebo vlastně u studenta nebo i u toho pacienta vlastně ten model dostane do ruky a vidí ho plasticky trojrozměrně, vlastně úplně něco jiného.